guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Tyra. If you're new here, hi, hello, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Just finished washing my hair and I'll show you guys what I used. I've always wanted to try these products. This is the Flora Curl Hydrate Me Rose Water Cream Shampoo and Conditioner. I finally got to get some PR by them and it was okay. I feel like it was mid compared to what my brain thought I would like, but it was decent. So this is what I use for wash day. If you want to see the wash day video, of course, go ahead and head over to my Mytype4hair Instagram and TikTok to watch all of my wash day videos. Today we're actually blow drying my hair for the first time since I got it cut, and I am planning to do a perm rod set. And I bought the blue tiny perm rods because I just thought that looks so pretty on my hair. I'm gonna just keep doing wash and goes over and over. I want to still be a little bit more versatile with my styles, even though my hair is shorter. So we're gonna be testing out new things, still testing out if I can do old styles. If you watched me blow dry my hair before, you know my little concoction. This is the Amika Hydro Rush Intensive Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, and then this is the Wizard Silicone Free Detangling Primer. This is a heat protectant, and I will also be adding a few drops of the Olaplex Bonding Oil as a heat protectant as well. I'm gonna go ahead and start blow dry my hair, which you guys will see right now. Hey guys, so it is currently 7:15 in the morning. Yesterday I wanted to go ahead and just shampoo and wash my hair and then blow dry it because I knew that this style would take a lot of time. But today is Saturday, and typically I do all of my hair care filming on Fridays. But since this is more of an intricate style and this is my first time doing a perm rod set on my short hair with these barrels, I wanted to have a nice amount of time to do it, so that's why I decided to do this portion of it the next day. So this is Perm paper. This is the True Rave brand that I got from Sally's. I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Fizz Patrol mousse. That's just one product that I'm using. It's best to work with perm rods with just the mousse, so it can make it, you know, more of a light and fluffy type of style. If you do any cream, gel, things like that, it'll just make it kind of heavy, which can weigh down the hair, and, you know, it's just not going to come out right. So I do recommend just using one mousse. I just want to say that I am not the best at perm rods. I'm showing you guys this little mini tutorial, which is not even really a tutorial, but it is sort of a tutorial because you're watching me. But I just want to say that I'm still perfecting the craft of achieving a nice perm rod set. The last time that I did a perm rod set was when I had longer hair. So this is only my second time doing it. So I did it on long hair, and then I'm doing it on short hair. And I want to say that it takes me a minute to get into the swing of actually rolling the hair on the rod. Like, I didn't record the back of my hair because it took me like 5 minutes to even do my first rod because I had to keep taking it down, putting it up, taking it down. It was always just something wrong with it. I just didn't like it. Something that I tried to keep in mind is also making sure that when you are doing a perm rod set, that your ends need to be as flat as possible, and that's what the paper is for. So you would put the mousse on your hair and then slide the paper all the way to the end to make sure the ends are flat, and then roll the ends up on the perm rod. That's like the key to it. But you really have to make sure those ends are flat, because last time I did a perm rod set, my stylist saw it and she was like, the issue is like, it looks like a beginner did it, which she kind of ate me up there, but I wasn't too mad at it because I love her advice. I love any sort of hair advice. She was basically saying that it needs to be really tight and really, really flat. Like your ends need to be flat. So I tried to make sure I took those critiques in mind this time, and I don't know. Y'all. Y'all see towards the end of the video how this comes out, but this took me a good minute. Not gonna lie, y'all, it has been a struggle. It has been a struggle. This has not been easy at all, so I haven't really recorded much, but this is what I've gotten done so far. I basically got the perimeter done. The middle here is what we're going to handle next. I have just this much left for this. So my husband's gonna go and get more from Sally's so I can finish this off, but yeah. Y'all just would not believe how long this took me. I should have timed myself, but this took me forever. I knew it would take me a long time just because the last time I did a perm I said it took me a while, but that was only because I had to get used to actually trying to accomplish a perm set. But forgetting that my hair is shorter, so it's going to take more perm rods, I don't know. I just didn't think that all the way through. And I literally went through a full 60 pack, and then I went through another 2 packs of 12. Like, it was bad, y'all. It was bad. That's why you see pink and blue. But my hair is all finished. I set under the dryer for about 35 minutes, maybe a little longer. And as you can see, the rods are coming out nice. They're coming out really, really nice. I was nervous about this. I kept saying that I didn't think they would come out nice, but they're looking pretty darn good, if I may say so myself. They're shiny. I used the Olaplex oil to give it that shine. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in and start kind of breaking up the curls to add more volume. If I'm being honest, I don't think that I did my absolute best with this. My husband loved it. He was like, I love your hair. Like, it looks amazing. You look beautiful. But I think I'm such a perfectionist when I come to my hair, and I know how my hair look. And I feel like this didn't look that great, in my opinion. Like, I know y'all probably like, girl, are you crazy? Like, your hair looks so amazing. But in my opinion, I feel like I could have done better. So I don't know. But I'm just breaking up the curls, curl by curl, just to add that more volume. And then in a second, I don't know why I'm going to do it, but I'm going to add this spray from Amika. It's like an anti-frizz spray. I just thought that it would work because later that night was date night. So I wanted to try to use something that will help, the humidity and frizz not to just start messing my hair up, because we're going to be outside all night. Oh, here it goes right here. So that's the spray I'm using. It's the Shield. It's called the Shield. It's a anti-humidity spray. Now, I am recording this voiceover in real time, which is days later. Did the spray work? I don't know. I'm going to say no, just because I sweat a lot. I work out twice a day, every day. And even that night, I don't remember, because I don't even think I looked at my hair that night. Once we got home, I just put my bun on, took a shower, and went to bed. So I'm not even sure if my hair held up outside. But I will say today, my hair looks crazy. It's really frizzy. It's time to wash my hair and do a new style. But that's only because I work out twice a day. So, of course, I sweat my hair out. But I don't know. I feel like perm rod sets for me, they only last over the weekend if I'm going to an event. But if I am wearing it as like a style for the week, knowing that I work out a lot, I sweat a lot, it just doesn't last for me. And it's okay. That's okay, because not every style is going to last. But I don't know. I feel like the only time I do styles like this is if I'm wanting to try something new and like challenge myself, or if I'm doing some sort of event and I need to, do something cute to my hair. I did use an edge control. This is I want to say it was an even edge control. I feel like my hair looks pretty darn good as far as like the edges, and I pinned back the hair in the front to give it, kind of a cute look. I don't know. Let me know down below if you like it. Bye.